This is 2 out of 3 P system, in which you can see there are 3 SOVs, SOV1, SOV2 and SOV3. We are going to see the online maintenance of this SOV and also the maintenance of the shuttle valve which is inside this manifold. First, to see the normal condition, let's energize any two channels. So channel 1 and channel 2, you can see the output is there. Let's energize third channel also. Now this is the healthy condition. You can see the visual indications in red. All 3 SOVs are energized. Also we are getting the output signal. Now we are going to do the maintenance of, let's say, this SOV1. So for the maintenance, first let's de-energize the SOV1. So I am de-energizing. So SOV1 is de-energized. Now we are going to do the online maintenance. First pull this lever of isolation valve. So as soon as we have pulled this lever, now the pressure is not coming out of this valve. Now we are going to open the coil first. So first remove this cap, connect. Okay. Now after this, remove this connector. Now the next step is open these 6 bolts with the Allen key. So after this, remove this main box. So now this is the SOV. Now we are going to open these 4 bolts. Now we are going to open this. So now we are going to deassemble this to see. First we are going to change all the O-rings of this SOV. So after removal of top cover, now open the bottom cover. So during this maintenance also you can see our output is still on. The two SOVs are energized. So our output is not disturbed. So now with the help of the tool we are going to deassemble this piston assembly. So this is the piston assembly. Now we are going to change the O-rings, rubber parts of this assembly. So we are removing this nut from the shaft. So this is the magnet. So here is the O-ring. So these are the parts. Now we are going to remove these old O-rings. So with the neat and clean cloth we are just cleaning the parts. So now we are going to apply some grease over new O-rings. Fit. So now we are going to do the fitment. We are putting little bit drop of Loctite and doing the fitment assembly. Okay. O-ring. So the assembly is done now. Now we are going to open this core tube. It is guide. So with the help of proper tool we are going to open this. So this is the plunger and spring after the new set. Okay, so this is the plunger and spring. Now let's say our maintenance is done or replacement is done. Now again we are going to fit this on this top cover. So now we are going to fit this on this manifold again. So after the fitment, now let's fit this junction box. Now fit this top cover of VPFB. Now do the cabling. Fit the nut. So now the fitment is done. The valve is mounted on this manifold. You can see the current position. The SOV1 is still bypassed and two SOVs are on, and we are getting the output. Now we are going to merge this SOV with these two SOVs. So we will going to push this lever and lock this. So as soon as we have pushed this lever, now the SOV is getting the inlet pressure, and now we are going to operate the SOV. So as soon as we have energized the SOV, you can see there is output of SOV1. So in this way we can do the online maintenance of SOV. Now we are going to see the maintenance of shuttle valve, which is inside this manifold. So to do this, first we have to de-energize all the SOVs first. So now all SOVs are de-energized. You can see there is no output and actuator is closed now. So now we are going to open this to repair the shuttle valve. So you can see the shuttle valve assembly inside this. So now with the help of this screw we are going to, so the shuttle assembly is coming out. So here you can see the seal is there. Now we are going to change this seal. So this is the sleeve. So these are the O-rings. So now let us say we are maintenance of doing the, by changing the O-rings is done. This is the seal we have done, we have changed. Now we are going to again assemble this. And we are going to fit the cover now. So now we have changed or we have repaired the shuttle valve. Now we are again going to energize the SOVs. Let us press channel 1, then channel 2, and then let us say channel 3. So you can see all three channels are energized. We are getting the position output, visual position output, and the main output is also on.